So just checking out a random haunted church. That is the gravestone where I caught that strange body. It looked like a ghost dancing on it. Let's have a wander down here. Bloody hell, the church bell just rang and I nearly pooed my pants. So this is the entrance to the church. Well, I can't really see much in there. Let's go and have a wander around the back. Man, I love technology. Oh, it's pitch black out here. Yeah, I'm not going down there on my own. I've not got enough kit. I'll go down a little bit. Man, that is spooky as. Okay, let's go back. Where's that door? Oh, found another door. Okay, let's go back and have a look around this way. And this is spooky. Okay, I'm definitely going to come back here with more kit. Some lights as well. But this is amazing. Man, I love technology. My app is looking shit up. Man, spooky as hell. Oh yeah, just back. That is the gravestone where I pointed my SLS camera at it and I caught something dancing on there. Well, it looked like something dancing anyway. So it's very cold. I was just driving past and I thought I'd quickly check this out and see if this works, and it's working. So that's a really, really cool test. Catch you in the next one.